Yes, yes, y'all. It's me in a t-shirt. Probably haven't seen me in a t-shirt ever or in a while, but guess what? It's a brave new world. So lap it in, take it in while it's still hot.
Hello, gorgeous.
Welcome to Making Design Stuffs. Design champions, I was worried about you, concerned for you, and also hoping that your potential was being filled every single day. For today's agenda, I'm gonna make continued progress on the website for Spark Squared. Here's where we left off last time. Last time I did some initial UX designing on paper, and then I moved it into Photoshop, and this is where I stopped. So we're gonna continue that for today's first agenda, and then second agenda. Remember, we're working for Thread Stacks. We're making a logo for Thread Stacks. Now, we showed the last three options. You guys overwhelmingly liked option 2, Stacks Boy. Basically, Scott. We heard back from Scott, so we're gonna be working through the next phase of the Thread Stacks logo design. So let's hop into this project, this website redesign right about. Wait, like 3 seconds. Okay, go. It was 5 seconds. Hello. Here we are in my computer, not in it. It's actually not big enough. It's very skinny. But here we are on the screen. We're actually still not on the screen. Okay, enough rambling. Basically, I need to go through and just fill out all the rest of the information that will be on the page. You know, looking back and thinking about this, I think it might be best just to plan out what all information will be on the page, and then put it there in general locations, and then come back through for a second round and make everything designy. You know, figure out good layouts and things like that. But I get in a habit where I kind of put information in one section, and then I try to design that section to look really good. But I don't think that's the best way to do it. I think from now on I'm changing my ways. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. Oh, Michael Jackson. Oh, everybody we miss him. Okay, basically, I'm building a portfolio section here, which I need to get your thoughts on a little bit later. There will be a poll, so be mentally prepared, lovely people. Okay, after that, I started working on a contact section. The idea here was to make it really like stacked and blocky, but I didn't actually do it that way. Maybe I'll go back and make it more blocky, just so it's cohesive with the whole idea. And then on the website right now, there's a very simple footer. So I just made kind of a version of that, made it very simple. I'm actually having a hard time figuring out where to put the logo up top. That is interesting. But anyways, after I was done with this whole layout idea, I was like, you know what? Let's just make it really cool. Let's make it cooler. So basically, I got rid of all the orange and went with a really high contrast black, white, orange, and for me, it's like 1,000 times better this way. I don't know. I hope you agree, but maybe not. And then we just have some cool like line artwork of the logo. And this is what I need your help with. So you can see there's different ways to put like tag titles on the portfolio. So let me know in the poll right now which one is your favorite. Okay, my honey boo-boos, that's where I'm gonna end on the website redesign for today. Let's hop into our second project, Thread Stacks, logo option number 2. So basically, I heard back from Scott. One good piece of information is that we can get rid of one logo idea, right? But the 2 are left. And I think that right now we're working with too many ideas, so we need to pare it down and figure out which direction is best and which version of that direction is best. Again, Scott decided, and I agree, that logo option number 2, Stacks Boy, is just a little bit too modern and clean, and doesn't have as much maybe personality. So, yes, interesting. So we can try. Well, that's just basically it's this version on a blue background. That could be interesting. There's another idea where we're stacking the stacks on top of each other. There's one where 3 stacks. I think 3 stacks is too many, because then we just have too many lines going on. So that would be my perspective on that. And then also, I think it just gets to be too much if we have stacks and an underline. Maybe if we can choose one or the other, and if we try an underline, maybe there's potential to have a stacked underline. So I think that's one thing we need to make a decision about. And then this last idea here with kind of a scripty font and then the stacks on top of each other. Right now they look like 2 separate logos because we have kind of an intricate type, and then we also have a kind of a complex logo icon. So when we put those together, it becomes very visually distracting. Yeah, okay, so let me work on it a little bit, figure out what the next step is, and go from there. All right, y'all. So these are the next 2 options I'm gonna show Scott. I think my role now should just be to pare down the ideas so that we don't have so many different ideas going out. Leave your opinion in the poll right now. Which one do you prefers? All right, thanks so much for being here, you awesome, possum, beautiful, looking, gorgeous, merciful, kind, honest, loyal design champions. I will see you later, alligator, and stay awesome, possums. Bye.